The NEXUS Modular Vac System, it's very versatile, it's got great suction. These vacuums are on par or exceed the suction of a corded vac, which is great.
I've never had any issues with the runtime. I feel like the battery life is always long enough to perform the tasks that I'm doing.
It's nice having a longer battery life, even with the single battery. It seems to get like a full day of use, no problem. Some of the conveniences of the NEXUS system is, not having to be attached to the wall with an outlet, or on a job site where there's no power or where there's only limited power. You don't have to fight for space in an outlet. You don't have to trip over cords. Great that there's the PACKOUT feature now. I like that I can, stack tools that I'm using on top of the vacuum as I go around to do small jobs, and I can just clean up as I go versus having to come back through with a broom.
The ease of use with the VacLink now, it's a piece of cake to pair, and it stays paired for as long as you need it to.
Having the VacLink streamlines my workflow. A lot less wasted steps. Reaching over to turn something on or off makes just everything more convenient.